All right, well, let's talk about if you have been added as a co-teacher. So I'm back on my overview page of all my Google Classrooms, and you'll see that on this one, it has a deny or accept. And right here it says you're invited to teach this class. If I was being invited as a student, it would have a different tag there, but I can see that I'm being invited as a co-teacher. So I'm going to accept this offer, and then that will enroll me as a co-teacher in this classroom. From here, I have any of the rights that the normal teacher has. So you can see Anna Hunsinger is the main teacher, but then I'm also underneath her as well. If for some reason I need to leave a class, I can just click on the three skinny snowman dots and then click leave class. I can also add students and do all those things. Remember, we're not using grades in this area, so we need to be using Skyward instead. I do want to show you probably the most important thing is how to change your settings so that your inbox is not being blown up by all of the co-teacher classes that you're in. So when you click on this, at the very bottom, it says settings, just click on that. And then here are your settings for actual Classroom itself. So I can turn off all email notifications. If I don't want to see anything from Google Classroom, I can do that. But down at the bottom, if you'll click on class notifications, this is where you can turn off specific classes. So I can see that on Six Line Dragonets, I'm a co-teacher. I don't want to know everything that's happening there. Actually, I do, so I'm going to turn it back on. For the class that I just got invited to as a co-teacher, I just need to be able to see those students in the work in case I need to fill in, but I don't actually need to review all their material, so I'm going to turn that off. As a teacher, though, if you also want to turn off your own kids so that you're not constantly getting bombarded with this student turned in their work, this student posted a question, all that kind of stuff, you can turn that off there.